Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone is ready. Update iOS if needed, then go straight to Settings Messages. Once there, flip on Filter Unknown Senders so texts from numbers not in your contacts are separated into a separate tab. Make sure Show Contact Photos and Notification settings are adjusted so only saved contacts alert you. This reduces immediate noise and prepares the Messages app to work with third-party filters and carrier tools we'll add next. Now you combine built-in defenses with your carrier's features. Block persistent numbers directly from a conversation by tapping the contact, then block this caller. This prevents calls and texts. For iMessage spam, always tap Report Junk so Apple sees it and the message is deleted. Next, contact your wireless carrier or use their app to enable network-level spam filtering and shortcode blocking. These stop many scams before they reach your phone. Together, these layers catch what the message. Finish by adding a third-party SMS filter app for machine learning spam detection. Choose one with strong reviews and enable it under Settings Messages Unknown and Spam. Once enabled, make sure the app has only necessary permissions and update it often so new scam patterns are blocked. If spam persists, try resetting network settings to clear possible routing glitches. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi passwords first. And if problems continue, escalate to carrier support. They can often trace or block persistent spam sources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.